stunning, just stunning.
Isn't it fantastic? This is a long denim dress. I want a yacht. I love this event. Brand new.
No, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I fall for you. Oh, oh, can't control it. I'm falling.
Guys, welcome to Henley Festival, my favorite time of year. I love this event. If you've never been, put it on your to-do list to go. So we're here in Henley. I'm here with Abby. We're all dressed up. I have on this gorgeous, I don't even know why I'm about to show you the state of this room behind me, but we're staying in the Relay. We stayed here last year. Let me see if I can, honestly, made an entire mess already, but what's new? Girls will be girls. So this is a Leo Lin dress. It's gorgeous, like when you sit down with all the tulle. I know it's called tulle, but I like to add the tulle. Isn't it fantastic? So I'm gonna hop onto my phone, but hopefully I will give you a fun day out.
About it from the fashion front. So there's a floating floral chiffon number here
is all but gone, but lingers on.
So I am here, I have just arrived at the Henley Audi Festival market. We're very excited. The humidity is so hot. Are you having fun? We've been to the blister tent 2 times already. Twice we've been to the paramedics.
Stunning, just stunning. Just stunning.
Oh my god.
How are you?
I saw you over there.
Hi,
You look
darling.
so tan.
Delicious, incredible food from Dad. He's absolutely amazing chef.
Have come to the end of Henley. I'm very sorry if I didn't capture much video footage because I just have too much fun in Henley. It's your first time, isn't it?
Yes.
How did you find it?
I had a great time.
We've been to the medical centre 3 times.
My feet. It's the worst thing ever when you've got new shoes on and they will rub you. I swear, I thought I bought really comfortable shoes as well. And it was just like,
I feel like you were really, what's it called? You were really confident at one point about how comfy the shoes were before here.
yeah, and actually in terms of height, they're fine.
Do you want to show them the shoes? See, very practical.
Practical.
Medical tent 3 times.
And my plasters are falling off. That's the problem. These plasters are so rubbish. So when I used to invent like really strong plasters and stuff, I think sweet.
But it's,
That would sell.
did you know it's still 25 degrees?
Is it? It feels quite nice.
Still 25 degrees in England. I swear Henley Festival feels like a different country. All the yachts. I was thinking, where are those yachts going? Surely they don't have yachts just to stay in the River Thames. Guys, I want a yacht. Adds to vision. Adds to vision board. I want the one with the fairy lights. That look cute.
Little flower lights and they're so cute.
Very, very cute. But I'm about 5 glasses of wine. YOLO. When in Henley.
In my surroundings, you radiate to love, love sensation. We will be.
It's a cute. Did you see the cake shop before? It's very cute. We have made it to the end of Henley, and in true Henley style, we have got the kebab. No, we went for the cheesy chips. Cheesy chips with ketchup. Cheesy chip with mayo. I mean, what else? What other way can you end a night than other than cheesy chips? Just reminds me of like back in the day when we used to go out in Liverpool.
Every weekend.
Shoes are off, cheesy chips. But I'm excited to actually get my cup of tea in the morning and walk around Henley. That's how old I am. I would enjoy that. But good night, God bless, and we will see you in the morning.
God bless.
God bless. It's the morning after the day before, and the cheesy chip kebab shop has really soaked up the hangover. Which is always great. I've just got on today this cute little top from Naked Fashion, I feel like. I really enjoy the halter necks. I've got Real Island shades on, and I've got a few bits and bobs from Ralph Lauren. I don't know if I've shown you. Where can I put you? Nowhere. There's nowhere to put you. I have a brand new Demellier bag. This is the mini Hudson in the black. How gorgeous is she? I've just got this on with a pair of let me take it off and show you. I've got a pair of Ralph Lauren trainers on, which I like. I like the fact that there's not a sport. I don't particularly enjoy a sporty trainer. I like kind of like a fashion trainer. And then I've got a little Amazon Vine belt. Don't tell anyone else. And then I've just got my. I've lived in this. This is a Ralph Lauren zip jacket, which I am gonna probably put on over my shoulders because it's toasty. But it's a cable knit black zip up jumper, which I am probably going to just wear like so. So can you see the vibe? Are we vibing? No. Tripod's in the bag, unfortunately, but I feel like this is a look. I'm just gonna potter. We're just going for a little potter around Henley now. Grab a cup of tea, and then drive the S7 home, which should be fun. I'm gonna give you a car tour because you guys know how much I love a car. I'm a car connoisseur, and I always say the Audi interiors are my fave. Like they've got such a nice feel to them inside. So yeah, if you're looking for a real nice English country side kind of getaway, I can't recommend Henley enough. This is the Relay Hotel as well, which overlooks the river, and definitely prime location for Henley. Do I look swollen? I feel like the face is swollen this morning because we had a few glasses of wine last night. But when in Henley, honestly, this weather that England is having is gorgeous. I think it's about 30 degrees again today. So maybe you can see me a bit better here. This is the beautiful Demellier bag. I just think it's a really nice size. And then I'm just waiting for that. I'm gonna go for a reach. This is the gorgeous knit. This is my flight jumper. I've been wearing it on all my flights, but I think it also works like around the shoulders. Love a bit of that. Do you want to see my view? This is So Cara and Millen have launched a brand new collection and it is beautiful. Let's try them on. It is so good. So good. Like, look at the colours. I feel like this is my colour palette, girlies. What are we saying? Am I a cool spring? Is this what this is giving? Like the lilacs, the blues, this is my tone. Anyway, today we are going to be trying these on because Cara and Millen have just launched their summer collection. Look at this one. Firstly, look at the dark green to navy, yellows in there, lilacs, blues. It's got a lilac slip underneath it. Now, I need you to tell me, I think this is my colour palette. Does that make me spring? I think it makes me a cool spring, right? Because I'm feeling at home in this collection. But this is beautiful. Like, just the detail, the shimmer. It's even got like a little bit of a train, but it's not too much that it drags along the floor. It just wafts over the floor. So that's the first one. Beautiful. Now the ballerina in me absolutely loves this. This is incredible. I'm gonna call this floral architecture. It's got this gorgeous, the way it just stands. It's like it's got a mind of its own. So it cinches you in around the waist, then has this most beautiful chiffon skirt. Now, I've tried on many a dress, as you may know, but the way this falls, in fact, I feel like I'm seeing a reel in my head. My point shoes may have to come on. Because this, if I actually did ballet in this would be stunning. The way it just moves, hopefully you can see in the video there, but it's also this gorgeous baby pink colour. Like a cool pink, I think, because it goes really well with the lilacs and stuff. Okay, this one. This is one of my favourite colours, electric blue. I think it's one of the most eye-catching or like popping colours that you can wear. The architecture. The floral architecture in this, it is actually one shoulder, so this floral architecture goes up one sleeve, but you can wear it bandeau if you didn't want any straps there. It does stay put because it's got kind of like a sticky vibe. Do you know what I mean when I say that? It's midi, but it's this gorgeous crepe material. I mean, these colours, so good. So good. Okay, this is a sage green shimmer. Beautiful dress. It has this crisscrossing detail here. Now that neckline into a cinched in waist, it's got this like kind of ruching detail which really emphasizes like the female figure, into the most beautiful fishtail. We do have a little bit of a slit, not too high as well, and again all these just moves, that like the way all this collection moves is a work of art. I'm gonna say that. Now, if dresses weren't for you, they have this gorgeous tailoring in this collection. There is actually more in this collection. Maybe I'll pop some on screen here because they all came in different colours. You know, Cara loves to do that, wax an outfit out, but in different colour shades. So you can always pick the colour that you like. So this comes in different colours too. This is a lilac suit. Don't know if you can see here, but it has this gorgeous tapering at the ankle. So I think things like that really elongate the legs into this gorgeous blazer. The party is in the back. I think blazers that have really great back detailing are actually very, very sexy. So this came in other colours too, multiple colourways in this collection, but I just thought I'd share a little bit of their summer collection with you because it is absolutely stunning. So I am coming at you doing my London looks today. I am shooting for River Island. Thought I'd show you the new in pieces that we have at the moment. This is a gorgeous bandeau drop waist dress. I think this style is quite laid back. Still looks put together, but very laid back. It's got this gorgeous pattern to it. I keep saying this, but River Island do the best accessories. This is a gorgeous little ivory tote bag and sunglasses to match, and I even have a bit of a Cartier jute bangle on, I'm not going to lie. Let me show you close up of the bag. So this is the bag and it's given cute at like a high street price, which I enjoy. So this is another River Island number. This is a long denim dress, very figure hugging. It cinches you in nicely round the waist. Got some gorgeous, I'm going to say it, Tom Ford-esque sunglasses. And then a River Island pulling out with the dupes. This is a bit of a Gucci dupe, I'm going to say. But yeah, this is a really nice everyday outfit. I think if you wore it with trainers, this is a really cool look. So this is a really great example of how you can make River Island really, really chic. This is a gorgeous asymmetrical dress, long sleeve, which actually can go down to the wrist, but I've just runched it up off the shoulder. I feel like this look is so demure. I know everyone hates that word. River Island clutch, River Island sunglasses. These sunglasses I have been wearing so much, and little gold earrings to go with it as well. So you can look chic on the high street. So this is a gorgeous cord, so sold separately, so you can interchange, because I think maxi skirts like this are great with like either a knit, even like a little loose knit, a little cami, but they come with matching sets, and also comes in 4 different colours, different patterns, so you can pick your vibe. This is a gorgeous cream and black vibe, and I've got a gorgeous black little bag to match, this way round. Sunglasses again, River Island, earrings River Island, and I've got this gorgeous, the bag is also River Island, sunglasses are River Island, and if I come up close, this is a gorgeous Van Cleef dupe bracelet, all from River Island. So I am here at Cara, back in London, just finished shooting River Island, and we're here to see Cara's artwork, which is in Burlington House, Royal Academy.
Yeah, that's the one.
Summer Exhibition 2025, which I only know because it's there. So I thought we'd take a look. Little do you know, Cara is an amazing artist. What do you use?
Hello. So I use watercolour, so it's all like hyperrealistic portrait work. And yeah, one of my paintings is now exhibiting this year, so I'm really excited.
And you've sold one already, right?
Yeah, pre-sale.
But when I say this is so good, like I don't know how you do it.
Oh, thank you.
I just thought I'd show you a little sneak peek, so let's go in. The actual pants.
So we've just come to the work. It's like, where's what in here? There's so many pieces of artwork. I'm trying to just show the rest of it. So this is one of the rooms, maybe like over there. So this is the other room. And then these are all like little paintings around.
Go and point to yours.
But yeah, it's sold and pre-sold, so I was really happy.
So this is Cara's artwork behind us here. Would you like to tell us about the inspiration?
So this work is all about empowering people with unique skin conditions. The theme of this show is dialogue. So in terms of dialogue, like my work is all about kind of expressing people with unique skin conditions, essentially. And yeah, my work was accepted onto the Royal Academy, so
It's already been sold.
Yeah, no, I was so excited.
I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
But apparently this isn't her first rodeo. Apparently we've done lots.
We've done a few. We've done a few.
Subscribe, because coming up next,